In today's video, I'm going to talk about pipeline construction project and how to plan them, how to schedule them. The most important challenge which people have been asking me because they are new, while you can learn the software, but what about the planning and control philosophy? That is what I'm going to explain. But as per Gulf region, as per UAE industry based phenomena, I'm going to present in today's video. So don't go away, stick till the end of today's video. And before starting this video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future if I make any video, upload any video, you will get that link on time. So let's start. I will take you on dashboard. So here there is a pipeline construction project, and you can see there is a hierarchy family tree as per the WBS. I'm specifically talking about pipeline construction project in EPC industry, right? So here there is my project. First of all, in Gulf region, whenever you are going to work for pipeline construction projects for ADNOC and all that, you have to break it down into three categories. The first one is home services, the second one is procurement, manufacturing and delivery, and the third one is construction, right? So you can see under these WBS tags 10%, 42% and 48%. In one way we can call them weightages, right? The value of component divided by the total of value of the project. Let me explain about that one. Weightages will be calculated what is the total cost of the project, what are the total man hours required to complete that project. So that man hours, that cost which is required to complete these services divided by total value man hours or cost is going to give you 10%. It is going to give you the importance, the complexity based on cost, based on man hours or whatever. But it is concluded that the worth of this deliverable or WBS is 10%, 42% and 48%. The specific document is accurate one. This is also called ROC, rule of credit, right? Through which we are going to the company ADNOC specialized pipeline construction projects will be given such kind of percentages, and in job interviews they are going to ask you the same thing, right? So people who are actually preparing are going to expect any upcoming opportunity in pipeline project planning and control, right? They should memorize these ROCs or weightages, right? So in this slide I'm going to explain that this specific number one is broken down because space is not that much. So one by one, I will be explaining. So this 10% are home office service. You can get into detailed engineering. Okay, in this you have further 1.1. This is 1.2 and this is 1.3. So you can see within this, if we are going to consider alone this 100%, and within this 100% for the detailed engineering design, the complete issue for construction drawings are going to get the value 75%. 20% are procurement services and 5% are this subcontracting services. So or you can say bidding services. So every time at every level when you are going to add up all of these things, it is going to give you 100%, right? This is level 1 ROC. So it will give you 100%. This is level 2. This is also going to give you 100%. If you want to take that level percentage, you have to multiply 10% with 75, 10% with 20, 10%. So it is going to give you, if you want to see that picture, that out of 10% it will be 7.5%, it will be 2%, it will be 0.5%, right? So in both ways, if you are going to represent 7.5, 2 and 0.5, it will be declared as level 2 ROC or weightages. Then further detailed engineering design is further broken down into the third level, common facilities, and then THC ASAB pipeline. ASAB is actually this is field in the under ADNOC, right? So it is very good that I have been part of this field. I got opportunity to work there. Then you can see that the third is LGCS 7 kilometers, right? This is given 30% as per the feasibility. This is given 60%. This is given 10%. So this is the pattern you have to understand. Common facilities process within design, detailed engineering design. There are process flow diagrams, pipeline, isometric drawings, piping, instrumentations, electrical and instrumentations, telecommunications, civil, mechanical, HSE. So these are the documentations and drawings, right? which is carrying further 30%. So how to get this 30% weightage? You have to multiply 10 with 75 with 30% is going to give you that how much this portion is going to get the value. Then a sub THC 60% is further divided into three. Thamama C 26%, a substation 22%, block wall station pipeline if 52%. Again, the total will be 100%. But if you get that level weightage, you have to multiply. Like I need a substation that level 4 weightage, so I need to multiply 22 with 60%. So this one is going to multiply with this one, and this one is going to, so this level percentage will be there, right? So I hope you can understand this mathematical hierarchy, how these things are being subdivided. So then this detailed engineering is further divided into 7 kilometer. So this drawings, this is a separate package. This is the separate package, right? So this separate package is also dealing with the same things like over here. These are all the packages, common facilities for this one and all this. This is the complete pipeline drawings and all that, right? So you can see in construction and commissioning, construction is going to carry out of this 84%, construction and pre-commissioning, construction, commissioning and as-built drawings at the time of closing, and then demolishing existing structures and all that if there is any, 10%. So it will be detailed in the sheet number 4 as well. So commissioning as built, commissioning startup when they are going to make function testing, operations and all that. So a sub pipeline is going to carry 90%. So that is how we are going to give the weightages, right? So let me get on the next slide, right? Just 1 minute. Here we are. Okay, this is the second slide. So here, after home office services, you can see this is given like this one, like in procurement. Now this is explaining about the procurement, not detailed engineering design. In procurement, equipment package, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, launchers, which are part of our piping projects, right? So this is the integral component: mechanical, electrical, and instrumentation and launcher. This is going to take 15%. Then the same hot bands, main line valves, line pipes, other pipeline items, 45%. Material pipeline, bulk material, 35%. Piping, electrical, instrumentation, civil, all this will be part of. In job interviews, they're going to ask you, in pipeline construction projects, please mention what are the bulk material items, what are the major common long lead items, right? So operating spares, these are the things. So what are the ROCs? It should be memorized, to you, to get success in the job interview, right? So, and meanwhile, how to compile this WBS, how to load in Primavera P6. I have separately managed my Primavera P6 based videos on my top of the video, on my shoulder above there. You can find the link and you can start watching those videos where I have explained how to work to load these things as a WBS and further into activities and making cash flows and all that. So there are many things you can find within this channel. So don't forget to share this link with your fellows and all that, right? So here I'm going to move on the next slide where we are going to see that after procurement, you can see there is a third slide. It is actually explaining about manufacturing and delivery. Equipment packages 10%, pipeline material 75%, bulk material, and so on. That how it is subdivided. And then in the slide number 4, you can see that your construction pre-commissioning, that this is your this will be your construction phase WBS, in which your THC as a pipeline 90% is subdivided into stations, and stations are further subdivided. You can see over here, this one is subdivided into 90% here and 10% that package 7 kilometer here, and this one THC a sub pipeline. So 90% is further subdivided into stations and pipeline, 2 WBS. Under stations, there is another thing, launcher at Thamama. SV, like section valve station, it is giving you the WBS, like BVS, blocking valve station 1, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, right? So like this one. And then receiver at ASUB 30%, right? Then same is happening over here. Then station and pipeline. For the construction, there are two major WBS, stations and pipelines. And under stations, you have different kind of components. You have to understand. And here I'm going to give you like one more important thing. If you are a user of Primavera P6 and at the same time you want to enhance your productivity using chat gpt, so I'm going to share with you people how to utilize this one. So here I'm going to share with you how to use chat gpt and develop your narrative as per the prompt basis, and act like pipeline construction project and give me detailed activities for given WBS lowest level in node format as per real industry data for construction and commissioning WBS, right? Just like this one. So you can see right now it is going to provide you, we should utilize AI and all that, right? Okay, so right now you can see, like, see launcher at Tamama civil works. So for civil works, all these activities will be there. For structural works, you can find these activities. Mechanical installations, you can find these ones. Piping. So AI is going to help you more than what you expect, right? So that is all what I try to explain you people. If you are there to understand as a planner and scheduler for specific specialized project of pipeline and as per the Gulf region ADNOC formats, right? So this video is going to help you a lot. Please don't forget to write in the comment area. It is going to support me a lot, and get this link with other people who are waiting such kind of videos, and give me the opportunity to make more videos if I get more support on such kind of video content, right? So see you in my next video. Thank you very much.